win award for 2014 with my catering company, which I do work with. I'm a chef in a school, and when I heard that I win the award for 2014 for being a good, outstanding workers, and this is my certificate right here. I am the winner for 2014, and I want to say I'm really happy, and I'm sharing it with someone on my YouTube channel that if you are working with a company and that company is doing something for you, just do your best. Well, my company is doing the good things for me, and today I can show someone my outstanding performance certificate which I did collect today. So I'm really happy, and I'm sharing with some of the fans them, some of the friends them. You know, say I win award for 2014, and this is my certificate, and I got my prizes, and I'm just sharing it with someone. So if you are working in a company, as I said before, just do your best, and your best will come to something successful in life. So right here, I'm happy, and I want to say subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please put your comments below. If you just think about what I just said to you about my outstanding performance for 2014 award for the company where I work with, and I'm a chef in a school. So all of my information I'm gonna put it below. When you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you can read some more about me in the school.